Today we talk about how can you update email address on your Reddit app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings. Just click on settings here, so then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on account settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on update email address. Then you click here on continue here. So then you click on OK here. Then automatically it's going to send on your email. You go to your email. Then there can you update your email. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.